This is your guide to YouTube Automation 101, and I am going to be educating you in this video on how you can start a YouTube automation. What is YouTube automation? Means you want to build a channel that earns you money without showing your face or without spending hours of editing. Instead of just doing everything yourself, you let AI do them for you. Trust me, there are a lot of YouTube channels that has made a lot of money just by creating content with AI, and some of these channels are what you are seeing on your screen currently, and you can also start making this type of money. And this is what I'm about to do in this video. I am going to be breaking them down for you to understand them better and how you can start even using some free applications. So let's get started. So why do you need to watch my video to the end? Here's why. I have successfully built about 5 YouTube page that is currently fetching me thousands of dollars. I mean raw dollar. And I have enough experience to start teaching you how to make money and how you can position your videos right on YouTube. And instead of selling this knowledge to anybody or everybody online, this is why I decided to open this YouTube page to help you grow your channels. And these are my analytics for 6 of my channels. So if I can do it, you can also do it. And don't also forget to click on the subscribe button to get notified first whenever I come up with another update. In that way, you want to click on the subscribe button now? Okay, let's wait for a minute. All right, done. Thank you for subscribing, and let's get back to the video. To understand how YouTube automation works, there are 7 things you need to put in practice. Number 1 is picking your niche. You need to pick a niche, because you cannot just wake up and start creating YouTube content because you see people doing it and you just all of a sudden want to jump into it and want to start making money also. No, you need to pick a niche. This niche is going to help you know what you actually want to do and what you can start doing on your channel. I am going to be breaking them down in this video. So what you want to do is click on the like button, subscribe to my YouTube page, and turn on your post notifications so that you can get more updates from me at any time I post my new video. On that note, let's proceed. Number 2 is finding a viral topic. This is one of the most hardest things people do when they start creating YouTube automation. And this is why a lot of people don't get it right. I am here to educate you and guide you step by step. So you want to smash on the like button and subscribe to my YouTube page. Then number 3, you need to know how to write scripts. Not just knowing how to write scripts, but also know how to write a proper prompt that is going to give you a good script. And I'm going to be explaining everything in this video. Then number 4 is you need to generate your audio. You know, this is YouTube, and YouTube actually deals with visuals and audio. So you need to do audio, and most of the time it is not always advisable to use your own voice because there are a lot of AI websites that can generate all of these things for you. Yes. And I'm going to be showing you everything in this video. Number 5 is you need to know how to add videos and picture to whatever you are creating. The beauty of a video is when it has a proper visual, and in automation, when the visual is appropriately set, it is expected that the content you're trying to create have higher chances to go viral. And then number 6 is you need to know and understand some of the principles that guide uploading and optimization. Optimization simply means your thumbnail, your title, and then your SEO. And then number 7 is repeat consistency. So let's take it from the top. What are the profitable niche you need to pick? I have few of them here. Number 1, you can start creating motivational videos or self-improvement videos. So this involves clips and voiceover, and sometimes you can use pictures and voiceovers. So voiceover with background music, everything blending together is going to give you a perfect video and people can resonate with it. Another thing you can also start creating is you can start talking about luxury or wealth. This also deals with you talking about cars, mansions, lifestyle, success quotes. It also deals with clips, picture, background, and voiceover. And then another thing, AI news and tech. And trust me, you are definitely going to get a lot of view from this niche. Then another thing you can also talk about is celebrities and biography. Talk about their life stories, talk about their rise and fall, talk about their businesses, what they really do that people don't get to know. Another thing you can also start creating is health and natural remedies. See, a lot of people don't actually know that there are some home remedies that can cure sickness. If you can start creating content around this with the help of ChatGPT and little research on health, you can get a lot of views around the world. Other things you can also start creating content on are Bible verses, Christian motivation. This also deals with video, pictures, AI voices, and background music. You can start creating content around this niche, and trust me, there are a lot of successful people on this YouTube that are making tons of money from these things I am telling you. The last thing you can start creating content on is music mix, lo-fi, relaxation sounds. So to start creating this content, we need to talk about finding a viral idea. So how do you find viral idea? These are very simple, and I'm going to be recommending 3 applications for this video. The first application is going to be Google Trend. So just go to www.googletrend.com or trend.google.com, and you are going to see some of the things that are trending based on the location or country that you want to start creating content on. Let's say, for example, I'm in Canada. I want to look for what is trending currently on Canada. Just click on Trends Now or Trending Now. Then for the past 24 hours, you can sort it out, and then also check the categories that you are looking for. It depends on the content you are trying to do. If you are doing news or politics or science or sports, you can just look at all of them, and for the past 8 hours this is trending. So that means if you can create content around this particular topic, you can get a very viral video. You can also create this, and this has been trending for the past 8 hours. This is 20,000 views for that. 20,000 views for that. That is insane. And I'm very sure that a lot of people will also be searching or looking up news or information about it on YouTube. So any country of your choice, and it is going to help you get a lot of view from an actual country. Let's say, for example, you want to start creating news content for people in Canada. People in Canada are definitely going to use YouTube, or they are using YouTube because they would also want to check for news and updates, and all of these things that you are seeing here are what they search for this is for the past 2 hours, and you see what is currently, this is 2k views. Intel stock, this is 2.2k views. So like that. Another website I'm going to be recommending is vidIQ. vidIQ also acts as a plugin for YouTube. Like, you can add it as a plugin on your YouTube channel just to see how your YouTube channel is basically performing. And on vidIQ, some of the things that it can help you do, they can help you generate thumbnail, they can help you generate content idea. Like, they can help you generate content idea, and content idea simply means some of the content idea that are trending currently on YouTube within the actual niche you are trying to do. They also help you optimize your video, and they can also help you generate some trending keywords that is related to your niche. And there are a lot of things that YouTube that vidIQ can actually do. And then it can also show you your competitor analysis. Like, it's going to help you see other channel. Let's say, for example, you are doing a music channel. It is going to help you, it is going to show you what they are doing right, that you can start applying to your own channel. And then the last one I'm going to be giving you is autopilot. So let me show you briefly on how you can write a script and also use that script to generate a music content. This is an AI generated content. Currently there are about few videos that have been generated with AI using this same techniques. And if you look at the numbers of video posted and the number of view that has been generated, joined YouTube on July 18, video is low, subscriber is high, and then there are a lot of views also. This is also another page that is also generating similarly the same thing. This channel was created on October 5 and today is 10, barely 5 days ago if I'm not mistaken. And look at the number of subscribers. This is also another one. This joined the same on October 5. Look at the video posted so far, just 48 videos. That's ranked up about 6.29 subscribers, and then we also have 404 views. So what am I trying to say here? How can you create this type of channel and start making money? I have some simple guidelines here and some of the tools you are going to be needing. If you need this full script, you can use the link in the description to get it. So these are tools that you are going to be needing to generate this type of content. Of course, number one is you have to open a new YouTube channel, and if you want to know how to open a good YouTube channel that is going to help you grow your account faster, you can use this video to learn more about that. The first thing you want to do is you want to copy the title of a video you want to use first. This is the video we are going to be using, 50 cents 21 questions. So I've copied that and I'm going to be pasting them on ChatGPT just like this and add this actual prompt, generate a Suno prompt for this title above, and this is what is generated for me. And after generating all of these things, all I do next is just copy them and copy them down to Suno. And if you notice, this is a male singer. What you want to do is come here, click on vocal gender, click on male, then you come here, you click on this icon to generate the lyrics, write full song, then you click and copy this actual title, 21 questions by 50 cents. So you copy that and you come here, paste it. It's going to generate these two songs for you. So you select any one of your choice, and I'm going with this. Then once you click on that one, then you click on create, and automatically it's going to create these two audio for you. And mind you, Suno is not for free. You are going to pay at least some dollar to have access to use the song on public spaces. After generating, so you play it and pick anyone that you feel like you like. So I'm going to go for this second one. Let's just go for this one. And what you want to do next is you want to download this audio as video. Reason for that is because we are going to be editing on CapCut. Once you are done generating the sound and downloaded the sound, the next thing you want to do is you want to generate your thumbnail, this actual one here. And how do you go about that? Copy the link of the video you want to generate, then paste the link here and you click on generate, and you are going to see this actual picture here. You download the image or you click and drag to your ChatGPT. I already have the image here. You give ChatGPT this prompt that should give you the image prompt for this picture. Copy the actual prompt generated and come to Meta AI. You paste it here and just change some words there, like the actual artist you want it to look like, just like what I did here, 50 cent artist. So after I send it, it generated this image for me and it's not really looking like 50 cent. So all you have to do next is just put up this right up, 50 cents, this actual one, 50 cents in 1960 vintage suit with a red back, blah, blah. So once you generate that, so I'm going with this image, so you click on download here, and once it has been downloaded, the next thing you want to do is you want to create your thumbnail. So to create your thumbnail, just come to your Canva and you come to your template here to look for a thumbnail template. Here, just type a thumbnail template, an empty one for that matter. So once you create your empty thumbnail template, just blank like this, all you have to do is just upload the picture you want to use as thumbnail. Just select it, click and drag it on this template, then right click on it and set as background, and this B is just a text. So just add any channel name you want to use, the beginning of your channel name, or you can use the full of your channel name. So once you are done with that, the next place you want to go is your CapCut. You want to import picture and the audio you generated the other time. So you want to import them to your CapCut and align them to match with the video. Then you want to drag this one aside and change the ratio to 16:9, and you are done. This is how you generate all of the video from the beginning to the end. So once you are done, just come to your YouTube and come and upload your video. If you have watched to this extent, it means you really want to start taking things very serious. And trust me, for you to get monetized in 3 months or in 2 months, you need to build a consistency scheme. And this is going to help you become a better editor at any niche you are trying to pick up. And let me give you a good system that works for me, and this is how I have been doing it, and it has actually been working for me. So you need to build a consistency table. And what does this consistency table mean? You have to structure what you are going to be doing on Monday to Friday and devote 3 to 2 hours daily on it. On Monday, research 3 viral topics. On Tuesday, generate scripts for the 3 viral topics you researched on. On Wednesday, record or edit your videos, the 3 videos. As time goes on, when you get monetized, you can give it a full-time thing. On Thursday, upload your video. So you have 3 videos to post ahead of time while you are creating other videos. So this is how you can do it and not get burnout over time. And on Friday, upload shorts. Upload about 7 YouTube shorts just to boost engagement for your long-form video. If you discover that on your first post, you started gaining virality, then you may stay away from posting YouTube shorts. And finally, your weekends, study your analytics. Studying analytics simply means how do they get to know about your video and what can you do to improve more on your video. Your analytics is definitely going to show you and the best time that your audience are watching your video. So all of these things are actually going to reflect on your analytics. If you can give YouTube automation 90 days of your life, and if you upload video every day in between that 90 days, this is going to help your YouTube channel. This has worked for me and I pray it works for you. So do you learn any value in this video? Drop them in the comment section.